his dead body.
Demon is at the house thingy majiggy.
And you're right next to me.
Demon's on the bridge. Demon's on the bridge.
Wait, you want to see something really funny?
Hey,
Yeah.
come here.
All right,
Hey, watch what's
I'm
wrong.
right here, bro. Tag me.
How'd you
Right here.
Okay,
Put it out.
Yo,
I'm the Christmas tree.
What's up, man?
Oh, hi.
No one freeze me.
Oh, I lost my controller.
I'm OP, guys.
Oh, shoot.
Yo, what the fuck? Would you say I'm on your level? No, you're actually not on my level.
Yo,
I'm way better than you, buddy.
let me try this kid.
Find me.
Yo, the ice.
Oh, he's
Yo,
dead.
the freezer kind of sucks.
Penguin, I think you kind of suck. Penguin,
No, I don't suck.
you suck my dick. Giggity.
Oh, come on, man. I know.
Boy. Run, he's behind you. Watch this.
Oh, ice penguin.
Try me.
Take back.
This is the fastest way to run.
I'm in my demon out.
That guy that was
Oh my god.
before me.
I'm getting my
my
demon
brother.
out. I knew what you meant. I knew what
I
you
gotcha. This trash.
If you act like a tree,
My
they
arm
won't
just
find
went
you.
through it.
If you just act like a tree, they won't find you.
Girl.
Oh shoot, oh shoot.
They found you.
You're not a tree, buddy. Guys, if you
I
act like a
think
tree,
so,
they
man.
won't find you guys. Trust.
I am the tree. I'm a part of the tree.
I'm a tree, I'm a part of the tree, I'm a part of the tree.
Oh, you're not gone
I'm
I
part of the tree.
am the tree.
What are you doing?
Get to the very top.
I am the
I'm
tree.
a light. Oh shoot, no, I'm dead.
Oh, shit.
Pinguino.
I got one hit and I still juked you.
Bro.
I got one
I
hit
am
and
the
I
tree.
still juked
Imagine getting tagged.
Yo, come on. Can I be free?
Why did
Is the game gonna load?
He left. Now we're gonna have to wait like 5 minutes.
Why
Bro,
can't
you
you
gonna
leave
take
at 1
this
minute?
shit, bro.
Alright, let me watch.
I have to
Demon,
wait
demon,
5
demon.
goddamn minutes.
Are you leaving?
Demon.
I have to wait
Oh,
5.
I thought you were him.
Guys, when I say 6, you say 7. 6.
7.
Oh, I actually got the whole lobby say it this time.
Guys, in
7.
2026 we cannot be doing this because the meme reset.
Oh my
yeah.
gosh, bro. You know 6-7's getting banned in the United States? What the fuck?
Guys, guys, I have a question.
Wait, what?
Yeah,
My
I
guy-
don't
my
know.
friend-
United States.
my
I
friend
don't
is
even
6'5".
care. We all
My friend
know.
is 6. My friend is
Wait,
6'5",
we all
like
know. My friend
really
is,
buff.
my
My
friend is
brother's
6'7".
5'10".
My friend is 6'7".
No, my friend is like very buff and he's 6'5".
My
Yo,
brother's
guys, this
5'10".
tree has arms.
He's in high school.
Oh,
Yo, guys, this
you should
tree
really
has
get with
arms.
this. If y'all are a
Yo,
girl,
you-
y'all should really get with my friend.
This tree has arms, bro.
Is he Josh?
Yo, this tree has arms, bro.
I have him out
Bro,
if he's
this
on right
tree
now.
literally has arms, bro.
Where is he with him?
I'm too short.
Demon, I'm not getting attacked.
That guy looked at me funny and I was like,
I don't know what I'm
think we know.
you should take me.
Oh,
Someone should take me.
Thank you.
I don't know what I'm doing.
I don't know.
Thank
I
you.
don't
I
know.
don't know what I'm
doing.
Wait, my friend.
Come here, boy.
It's like
Come here, boy.
shadow game.
Come here, boy.
I'm gonna change
Come
my
here.
name
Come
one
here,
more
boy.
time.
Come here, boy. Come here, boy. Oh no, I can't drop that. Oh, come on, boy.
Get
Come on,
shit
boy.
on. I'm sorry. I think
shit on?
I
Get us-
just
oh, really?
really.
Are you really sure?
Juju on that beat. Juju on that
Oh
beat.
my god, I can't make that jump.
Mustard.
I'm trying to make impossible jumps right now.
Mustard on that.
Get shit on.
Friend, what's your name? What's your name?
It's Scotty. What?
What should I call you, friend?
Give
Friend,
I call
what
you.
should I call you?
I'm too short.
Bitch.
Yeah, you should. What
Bro,
should I
we're the
call
rest of the players put some freezes, bro. I
RT,
swear.
RT.
I'm gonna call you
gonna tickle your balls.
RT, RT.
RT.
Can someone say me?
Oh my god.
Can someone say me? No one has
That
seen me
literally
this
jump
entire
scared me,
game.
bro.
Dreadhead, come here, boy.
What are you
I know
doing,
you're out.
chicken?
RT, you should let me
Let me-
know.
let me
RT,
shake your dreads.
you should let me.
Let me shake your dreads. Let me shake your dreads. Let me shake your dreads, please.
No.
Please.
There's a guy right there.
Hey, did I see something I wasn't supposed to see?
else. What are you doing?
Yeah.
He is not taggable glitch, guys. He can't tag out. Just
He's
saying.
in spectator mode.
I need to eat my McDonald's. I'll be back, y'all.
I'll leave it back.
Yo,
You
cornball.
me.
I don't know
Cornball.
why,
I'm
but
eating
with
McDonald's.
one
Be right
hand
back.
I'm still
Cornball.
good.
Toy
Like
ball.
I'm still
Cornball.
basically good.
When did you
I'm
join
at the
the game?
McDonald's drive-thru. Please
Help
be
me,
quiet.
I'm
I'm trying to order my
stuck.
Big Mac.
Alright.
I'm stuck.
I'll be back, y'all.
Oh. Why'd y'all untag Demon? Why'd y'all untag Demon? Demon, come here. Where are you going? Demon, where are you going?
Ooh, look at these.
Yo, this
Bro,
guy's
that
eating
was
his
a
McDonald's, bro.
I'm not going back there.
Help me!
Bro, look at
I'm a
these
part of the
dogs.
slide. I'm
Hold on,
on.
you're part- Let me untag you. Let me untag you.
Hey,
I'm trying
I
to
just
untag
met
you.
you. Who let the dogs out? And this is
Oh,
crazy.
I'm on my toes, by the way.
So here's my number.
Holy.
Call me, baby.
Steady. I just hit on you. Demon,
Oh,
where
shit.
are you?
He's in the slide.
Hello, ¿cómo estás?
I already tagged him. I tagged one.
Look at these moves.
I tagged one of your
Look at these moves.
friends. I tagged one of your friends. I tagged one of your friends.
Run! Oh, they're in the cave. They're in the cave. There's so many.
Oh,
You know, so many in the cave.
Talk. I'm not even trying to tag you. Where is Demon?
Yo, bro.
Where's Demon?
He's in the cave. Demon is in the cave.
Demon, is
I
that
saw him
true?
going there.
Demon.
Oh, frick.
Get him, you bastard.
Demon in the cave. Demon.
Go jump down. Run. Get out of here. Get here.
Don't
out
run.
of here.
Get out of the way, Demon. Demon, get out the way.
Run.
Woo! Everybody.
Come on,
Hey.
Oh, don't come down here. When I say don't come down here, you listen, okay, boys?
Okay. I'm sorry.
When I say don't come down here because we're having a fun time, don't come down.
Hey, yo. What do you mean by fun time? Come get. What are you doing? Yeah, thank you, bro.
What?
I'm trying to click. You come here, what? That kid is literally just pure autism, bro. And I'm not even trying to be in a joking manner.
Come save us in the cave. Yeti, come.
Yeti! Is Yeti over there? No, I hear people getting attacked.
Oh my god. Oh my god. No! Give me. Demon! Yo! You guys, come here, let's take a Thank you. We're camping, so we're winning. Oh, y'all got 20 seconds left.
You going, Demon, where are you?
Wait, what?
I only got one. Where's Demon at?
Well, look behind
Demon,
you, brother.
where's Demon?
You
Demon.
can see it.
Where's Demon? Where's Demon?
You didn't get me.
Oh, what's up, man?
We gotta stay here.
Yo, this guy takes my pumpkin. No, I'm good. No, that's so. I'm good with this one hand.
Bro. I'm not fist
You're
pumping,
living
bro.
my life.
Oh my skibbity, son.
GG's, but I'm not fist pumping.
Stop camping.
You're living my life, brother. I see you. I'm in the crowd.
Demon, you're about
I saved you. Run.
Someone help me! I'm in this fucking spot.
No,
No one.
Yo! Someone help me! Please,
Run. Save them. Run.
I made it out.
Attack me. Please, Speed. Attack me. Speed. Please.
Guys,
Speed.
I'm a survivor.
Speed, please. Thank you, Speed.
We're survivors.
What?
Don't go in the cave.
What cave?
The cave over there.
Why? There's like a lot of.
Oh my god! No, I got stuck! Okay, sorry.
Demon! Demon, I'm in the wall.
I can see your ice cube.
Yes.
We need help. We're in cave. There.
Bro, holy.
Save us!
Hey,
Someone help
Can
us!
y'all hear me though? Can y'all hear me?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Hey, next round, when I'm not in, I'll save y'all, okay?
Yeah.
Hey, if anybody needs help next round, just yell cornball.
Cornball!
Cornball! I know, but I'm a freezer. I'm a freezer now, so next round we're...
Oh, let's go.
Oh.
Stuck.
Bill,
Stuck. And why are you chasing me? There's a billion people and you chase me? Great.
Move, bro.
Nah, you don't.
Nah,
Nah, you ain't juking nobody. You ain't juking nobody. Nah, no way I'm getting juked.
You're not getting me. Please don't try.
I'm not.
Upside down. Upside down.
You're kind of shit.
Oh
my God. Who's this corn guy?
I just
Oh,
said to tag you.
You're kind of shit, freezer.
Oh, I'm stuck. I'm stuck.
Oh my God, my ankles. My arm. Oh my God, I just got out. No.
Run, brother, Duffer brothers, run!
We're not even chasing him.
Brother. Holy man. 3 minutes. No. Vecna.
Yeah, they're home caves.
Shooting. Oh no.
Oh my
It's
gosh.
stop.
What the heck?
Well then go upstairs, I already told you this. Okay, then you're gonna have nightmares.
Where'd you
It's
come
not gonna be
from?
my
Oh
fault
my
for having
gosh.
nightmares. Huh?
Oh my God, my arm's hurt.
Why?
He just appeared out of nowhere.
Okay, fine, Mom. Should I stay or should I? Now, well, you're gonna skip it.
I swear.
Turn it up.
Like 10 times. I don't even know where he's at anymore.
Should I stay or should
Like, bro, just teleport. Where did he go?
boom, boom, boom. Well, we don't want to watch another movie. We want to watch Stranger
yeah.
Things. So go upstairs and watch something else.
Oh, don't break my arms again.
Should I go to?
No. Oh, my arm.
Damn. Will's smart, kind of. Oh, damn, bro. I'm gonna be cooked for the rest.
I got Brandon this food with ghost peppers.
I'm freezing side.
Burritos. I got 50 burritos.
I got Brandon this food with ghost peppers and the world's hardest sauce in the world.
Counter.
I got 60 burritos.
I got 10 million burritos.
He's logging off, Jay. He's logging off.
Okay.
Oh my God, I thought he said he didn't lock in. No, I couldn't get him the burrito on.
Oh my God!
Get me, snowman.
I got you.
Snowman, over here.
I got you! No!
I'm trying to run away from these freezers.
Guys, they're chasing you all the way!
Over here.